Okay, so for my project, I did a lab, and it was like a 3-day lab, and in that lab, they had to work on learning about molar resolutions and things like that. And I wanted to give descriptive feedback on it at each stage. So it was a 3-day lab, so I wanted to make sure I looked at it every night. So I did, but at first, when I thought about this assignment, I wanted to change it around for different reasons, but then I thought how I could be better at my feedback. And I tried to look up, at first I thought, like, am I really doing formative assessment? And yes, I am, was my conclusion. And two was, how do I do meaningful feedback? I don't think I did as good of a job as I should have done. Looking back at other people's slides here, like especially Siobhan's, it made me think about, like, when there was something right, I just said, yep, you did a great job, sort of thing. But what she said she did is that she said what they did right, which I thought was really kind of a nice way to go, and something that I need to do differently next time. So, like, if you look at mine, a lot of the times it was math problems. Like, this was a straight up math problem. These rooms were too, and they were doing the math on their notebook, and I was walking around and kind of seeing things. So really, this was just like my double check because I was already walking around. But then all I gave them was yep, or down here I think I said something like, "Looks like you know what you're doing," kind of thing. Because they do, they definitely do. But I think maybe in a different context I can give better feedback. And we're now going to be doing a lab, and I think in that context I can give a lot more feedback. But I did give my kids a survey after this, and you can see that everyone but 2 people said they liked that there are no grades with this. And then if I look back down in here, did you think that I gave you timely and sufficient feedback on these assignments? You knew what you did wrong and how you had to do to fix it. So I was focusing on what they did wrong, and I was really good about the information on what step they did wrong and how they could do, what step they did wrong in the math, how they needed to change it, and how they could move forward from it. I did that really well, but I didn't do very well on this is what you did well and why. So I do need to work on that part. But I did get some feedbacks here, which I thought was interesting. And I already pulled the one down in the highlight. So one was they liked the idea of being able to get the feedback, but they wished, what did one person say? They wished that it would be in verbal. So I was walking on fast because in verbal, but they also wanted it verbal responses more often. So even though I gave it to them, like typing it to them, it wasn't as much as that person wanted. That was kind of confusing. To the idea that they didn't get grades, most of them were like, yeah, I think that's a great idea. But then this one, it'd be nice if we got completion points for these labs so that we could, we wouldn't get penalized, but we'd get bonus points. And a couple of them said that we would love to get something to bring our grade up, but we don't want to get anything wrong. So we just want to give me points, which I do not do in my class at all. So I thought that was not surprising. I was really scared to send this survey out to them, so then this last one right here, your class is awesome, thank you. And I appreciate that you asked for feedback, because I thought, well, I ask for it all the time, but this one I really appreciate, so I thought that was nice. And I was scared just to ask them what they thought for some reason, because it's like telling me this is why I do what I do. I shouldn't have to say that, but I have good reasons all the time. But I feel like they're bored by that. But I don't think they were. They did them honestly, and they didn't have to give me any feedback, but they did all the feedback I got. That's a lot. So, in conclusion, I'm going to work on more descriptive feedback for the things I do right, and keep on with my curious how I'm going to fix it for you.